Okay, kids, we are going to read a book called The Lorax by the famous author Dr. Seuss, who wrote many books for the children. This one came out in 1971, I think. I am going to read it to you, but you should remember that some people consider this book as a bit scary for some kids, and maybe it's a bit against capitalism. Should you be discussing things with kids that are against something? And now, it's also about one person's greed leading to the loss of something that we will see, and that could relate to climate change. And climate change is a very controversial topic these days. There are people who think it's not happening. There are people who think it's nothing to worry about. It's happening, but it's nothing to worry about. There are people who get scared. Many young people get anxious about climate change and what it will do to their future and so on. Keeping all that in mind, we're going to read it anyways. So you should get guidance from your parents or somebody elder at home to make sure that this is okay for you, or maybe they can sit with you as you listen to the podcasts. Uh, I'm going to start already with in this podcast about how climate change is a wicked problem, which means it's a problem that's difficult. People disagree. There's not always a solution, so people resolve it by some agreements, which means after some years it may have to be re-resolved and so on. Keeping all that in mind, we'll see that the Lorax has disappeared and there is a stump where the Lorax used to be. Lorax has been lifted away, and there is this kid walking over to the edge of the town and looking at the Lurkim. There are a lot of made up words by Dr. Seuss for the kids, and they are fun, part of the storytelling. And we'll see what the one slur starts doing and why he keeps getting greedier and keeps cutting more and more truthful trees, with which he makes more and more things and starts making money, and then he cannot stop himself till all the truthful trees have disappeared. Sound familiar? Well, it does. Deforestation and general environmental damage by our activities. But again, there are always issues in discussing such controversial topics. So keep that in mind as you listen to this, and let me know what you think, anyways, right? So it's an important issue. Just because it's controversial, should we avoid it or not? Think about it, okay?